Okay, so ngayon naman I am going to introduce a software that allows us to plot the slope field. Okay. Now technically itong Desmos is a software and we've been using this to sketch the slope field. But walang built-in na functionality ang Desmos to sketch the slope field. Kailangan gawin nyo itong demonstration na to. And one of the limitations of this demonstration is that kailangan you have to manually enter the coordinates of your grid here. Okay. So this has been manually entered. Although you can also use Excel, you can type your coordinates in Excel. Your X coordinates will be in the first column, your Y coordinates will be in the second column. Pwede nyo siyang i-paste doon dito sa region na to ng Desmos. Now, the disadvantage with this here is, so for example, maraming dito sa differential equation na to, dito sa slope field na to, maraming gaps dun sa ating slope field. And gusto natin na maging fine yung slope field natin because the finer a slope field is, the better idea we get about how the solutions of that function behaves. Okay? So this is where Maxima comes in. So Maxima is an open source software. It's available in Windows and Mac. Yung link ay nando sa description. And Maxima has several functionalities related to plotting the slope field. And here I'm going to show you the basic functionality. Okay. So suppose i-adjust ko muna itong Maxima maybe here sa ilalim. Okay. Balikan natin yung isang equation na meron tayo kanina. Y prime is equal to x plus y. Itong x plus y yung f of xy natin. Suppose gusto natin i-plot yung slope field natin. Yung region natin is negative 5 to 5 by negative 5 to 5. So here's how you do this in Maxima. Yung command natin is plot df. So it's df because Maxima uses the terminology direction field. Now the thing here with Maxima is the moment you type an opening parenthesis, it will immediately close it. So ano yung mga arguments nitong function natin? First, ang pinakaunang argument ay yung x plus y natin. So ano nga uli yung x plus y? Ito. I'm sorry, ano nga uli yung f of xy rather? F of xy is equal to x plus y. Okay. So yun yung unang itatype natin, x plus y. So next, under square brackets, okay, tatype ko naman yung restriction dun sa mga values ng x and y natin. So yung x natin is between negative 5 to 5. Yung y din between negative 5 and 5. So x, comma, negative 5, and then 5, and then comma, and then another pair of square brackets, and then y, negative 5, comma, 5. Okay. So itong command na to, it will plot the slope field for the equation y prime is equal to x plus y, where x is between negative 5 and positive 5, ganun din yung y. Okay. So to run this command, you just go to that specific line where your command is, and then hit shift enter. So once you hit shift enter, it will give a pop-up which is now your slope field. So ito yun. Let me move this here. Yeah. Now one of the really amazing things about this functionality is you can also plot solutions to your initial value problem. Kung gagawin natin yan manually, there's a possibility na mali yung ma-sketch nyo. Or kung or medyo malayo sa katotohanan. So, for example, balikan natin yung isang slope field na in-sketch natin kanina. Ayan. Maybe let's use this one kasi mas kompleto ito. Suppose gusto nyo i-plot yung solution sa initial value problem. Now, y prime is equal to x plus y. And then, y of 1 is equal to 1. So, ano ibig sabihin nito? Yung solution dito sa initial value problem, it needs to pass through the point 1, 1. So, the solution passes through the point 1, 1. So, nasan dito yung point na 1, 1? So, ito yon. Okay. So, to sketch the solution to this IVP, you have to thread the tangent tangent line segments here. So at best ang mapoproduce lang ninyo ay approximation ng solution. So okay. So again, we need to follow the flow which is given by the slope field. At the same time, you need to pass through the point 1, 1. Okay. So it looks like this. Yeah. This is an approximate sketch because we're doing this manually. But you can do this in Maxima as follows. So balikan natin yung sketch natin. So, dagdagan natin ito ng initial value. So, y prime is equal to x plus y. And we want y of 1 to be equal to 1. And then again, the solution needs to pass through the point 1, 1. So, ang gagawin nyo, punta kayo dun sa plot. And then, you have to estimate the location of the point 1, 1. So, ito yung 1. Ito yung 1. Let me see, ano nga ba yung scale natin? Sabi dito, this should be 2.5. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, tag 0.5 units itong mga tick marks natin. So, 2 tick marks will be 1. So, 1. So, it's somewhere here. There. So, Maxima now gives you the graph of the solution to that initial value problem. So, halimbawa, gusto nyong malaman kung na itsura ng solution when the initial condition is, let's say, y of negative 3 is equal to negative 4. So, you need to estimate the location of x equals negative 3 and y equals negative 4. So, halimbawa dito yon. Ayan. And then, ito na ngayon yung graph nung equation na yon. Nung IVP na yon. Okay. Now, well, of course, wala ring point na minamanually click natin yung slope field. There's a way to automate that in Maxima. So, magdadagay tayo ng bagong argument and it's called trajectory. Trajectory underscore at yan, and then comma yung value ng x, for example 1, and then yung value ng y, for example 1. So the initial value here is y of 1 equals 1. So i-run natin there, and then Maxima will sketch that solution. Let's try a different initial condition. Kanina we estimated the location of the point negative 3, negative 4. So here, let's use this argument. And Now, if you want to play around this slope field, you can click random points, give you an idea of what the solutions actually look like. And as you can see, these solutions follow the flow given by the slope field. Right? So this is just the basic functionality of Maxima for sketching the slope field. There are other customizations such that are possible, and for those customizations, just look at the manual with the link which I will be pasting in the comment section of this video.